Hey Professor, my name is Lovepreet Singh. Today I'm going to talk about sociology. It is not a scientific study of which all end up with the of society. If I talk about what is society, a large group of people live in an area, follow same culture. Like we can't imagine that there are the same people and the same dignity from the same area, and there are social group who follow subculture and follow materials or non-material culture. Yeah, we also know that we are living very different kinds of people in a same area. Culture is the way of living, food, clothes, beliefs, and normal languages that is diverse each other from everyone, from one family to another family. If I'm going to talk about their kinds, macro sociology and micro sociology, there the micro sociology is more qualitative and more deeply study of many people. If I'm going to talk about the macro sociology, more quantitative data for more public study. It helps to do it very efficient way. There are some theories like the structural functionalism comes from word structure means like one building. There are many interconnected and affected by each other people by doing a particular functions, weddings, or like something where they all get together, which helps them to staying together and spend their time with each other and engaging the activities of everybody. Like the another theory is conflict theory. Society is under capitalism means who dominate the society by owning private industries to get more profit. The very rich people control economy and indirectly government media. If I'm going to talk about the chapter 1, introduction of sociology. Sociology is the study of how society influence individuals and how people influence society. There are some key points like a micro level sociology, macro level sociology, global level, and also I will talk about crowds and the social behavior with the introduction. Events such as holidays, concerts, and also um, new crowds. Once is less certain. So what is occurring and what's confused? The sociological perspectives like a group membership may change individual behavior. If I talk about the what are social structures are the replicate patterns of behavior and the frameworks through which society operates, which helps them to create a great bonding. Social structures are opposed to as well as promotes the social changes over a period of time. Relationship between the individual and society reflection. The process of treating abstractions such as society or individual if they were like a physical things because it make them easy to get each other. If I will talk about human agency and context, individual agency is freedom to choose, that choices are so crucially shaped by their figures. There are some also challenges for indigenous inmates. Typically, they are more likely to be released late in their sentences and under favorable conditions. If I will talk about, I'm remembering that there are some revolutions, democratic and industrial revolution. Democratic revolutions like theories like Locke, Voltaire, Rousseau, and Wollstonecraft questioned the given social arrangement and propagandized the reason and social progress. And The Industrial Revolution, the path of which led to new social issues like poverty and inequality with people, it became obvious that a scientific discipline focusing on the rates of society and particulates would have helpful. Um, Sorry, sir. If I will talk about structural functionalism, their society suffers from like normallessness where people don't behave like normal with them. Social facts, social problems, social issues, social facts perform functions such as how they debtors. And if I will talk about the relevance of today, the theories of the Brim supports explains of how why younger and unmarried individuals are most vulnerable to committing the suicide. Because we also know that when the people is alone and there's nobody to share their feelings, it's hard to there's some words of our language like keeping the ball in our heart or stomach, that is observing the conversation, but we can't or we will not share with everyone to feel better, but we should. And that's also enhance the committing suicide in the single people. Thank you, sir. Sorry for that, I can't talk too much today. Well, just came from my work and I was just a little cough.